Detroit Wrecker is proud to present the Devastator. Made in Detroit. The Devastator. If you want to build a unit with the highest quality of craftsmanship and the lowest loading angle and deck height, the Detroit Wrecker Devastator is the only choice. Hand-built with pride, right here in Detroit. Here we have a recent build for Porsche of Mainline in Pennsylvania. This unit features hardcover enclosure on a steel 23-foot bed, E-track on the floor and walls, barn-style door on passenger and driver sides, small man doors on driver and passenger sides, roll-up rear door, custom side pulley system for offset pulling, synthetic winch line, wireless winch remote, aluminum toolboxes by Windsor Steel, emergency light from Sound Off Signal, a Michigan-based company. In fact, this is the first that uses a total of 24 of the intersector lights by Sound Off Signal. They told us the max amount of lights that can be synced together is 24. That's what we have her, 24. We are the first to do so. When you're ready to build a custom rollback to meet your specific needs, call us. We're happy to help and enjoy doing so. And remember, it's quality that counts.